there.
Yeah guys, so Jeremy misses her grandmother, so today we are headed there and we are the visitors, right?
Yeah.
So Beatrice, tell us something.
Yes, then me today I'm traveling at night. I'm going to Kisumu. I will miss you guys.
Will you miss me? Yeah, we will miss you so much. Me, I will miss you. Personally, I will miss you. I don't know about Jeremy, but personally,
Will you not miss me?
I will miss you.
Yes, I will miss you too. Hi, yeah, got her. Okay, bye.
Okay,
Make sure
guys.
you like, subscribe, and share, and like, share, and comment. Okay, bye.
Okay, guys. So we're
See
gonna
the
show
next
you.
video.
We're gonna show you our outfits immediately we alight this car.
See you in the next video.
Surely, how will they see us in the next video and we're not done with this video yet? We have just started. You guys, come on, we have just started the video. How are they gonna see us in our next video? Anyways, see you in our next part of this video.
Yes.
Wanauza tandarua. Ah. Ooh. At least the weather has cooperated. It's now sunny. Ndio. It's a bit warm. It was so cold in the morning. Then it rained the whole of yesterday night.
Bana. Wewe mwenyewe usiku yote.
Tumemaliza. Come guys, welcome. So we are here. Actually hapa ni pazuri pa kuonyeshana outfit.
Kabisa inatoka smart.
So this is my outfit.
Hapa.
Basi songa nyuma kidogo, chunga usiingie kwa matope. So this is my outfit guys of the day. Yeah. And you? Unaonyeshana? Sawa. Asante. Haya, show your outfit. Oh, you want us to see this? Okay. Chain, buana, chain. Silver. Okay. And this is my outfit with this cute bag.
So this is Beatrice. Yes, this is me. Auntie Mato. Auntie Mato. Yes. My outfit for today is this one.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So let's get in.
But we say we're let's
go. Oh, pale. Alright, let's go. Twende, proceed. Let's lock. So we are here. Hey! Guess what we're eating? Guess what you're eating from the door? Guess what you're eating? Fish. And you?
Fish.
Fish, baby. Fish.
Baby.
It is the fish. I go in with this one. Chicken. Sasa.
Kama sisi rekodi.
How Look at the fish. How many? And they're so big.
So big.
Look. So I want to fry the fish. I want to help her because she has already the fish were. So the fish was so fresh. Already she has done the major part, which is like deep frying the fish. And we also have one for Jeremy here, which is not deep fried. Still cooking, it's not deep fried. This is the fresh fish.
Yes.
And I'm here cutting the onions and tomatoes so that I can cook and make ugali as well. Yo, it's a celebration. It's a celebration. Just watch. Ugali.
Fine.
$50 to $100. 200 plus 200, 400. So you have 400 Kenyan shillings and $3.
It will be 403.
$3 and 1 shillings. So that's your savings.
Yes.
Oh, you're working with your savings. Wow. Working with your savings on your shoulder. Hey.
Misimukuanga. Ungesema kitu. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
So yeah guys, we here and we are at the marketplace. Yeah.
Salamia huyu. Alikuwa ananiuliza ule ako na shape siku hizi ameenda.
Ati shape. Nimerudi.
Atula kuna shape siku hizi ameenda.
Ndio mimi nimerudi.
Mjaza.
Ati amerudi na shape.
Shape iko. Hebu shika nionyeshe shape.
Aya, anataka.
Sida hiyo.
Aya.
Ameongeza.
Nikuonyeshe na huko nje.
Aya. Sasa ndio umeka.
Ndio nionyeshe vizuri. Lakini kweli.
Ati iko.
Iko kabisa.
Kamera inatoka clear.
Inatoka clear.
Eh.
Hadi hapo ndani kwenye huko.
Akarudi akiwa
Maintain. Nimekuwa mweupe, nimekaa Nairobi kidogo. Hey, jamani. Acha niende niangalie gloves pale chini. Sini dhati bobu nao nama.
Tumeongeleanga tu.
So guys, we are in the market right now. Like we want to buy something for ourselves and Beatrice wants to buy for our kids, maybe 1 or 2 because she's traveling tonight. Yes, this is how the market looks like. And we only have like 20 minutes. We only have 20 minutes. Then we go. Yeah. So come along. Let's take you along this one of the markets here in Nairobi, Kenya.
Yes, even me, I'm new here.
Oh my goodness.
Just new here.
Mimi hadi nimesha choka hivi. So, guys, they have nice shoes over there. I think we can get shoes over there.
Yes, we
Let's
can
go. Let's go and check. Let's check here. This one looks good from far. This one.
Hakuna ingine.
Sini hizi ndo konazo naangalilia hapa. Ama hiyo. That one looks so good. That is good.